In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Avast free antivirus to scan every file that is open or whenever you open on your computer. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to go and locate your Avast free antivirus and then it will open. Now to make sure that each and everything you try to open on your computer, it will be scanned, go ahead and turn on File Shield. As you can see, our File Shield is off and the status is danger. You can either turn it on here. Alternatively, you can go to Protection and then go to Core Shield. And then you can see the File Shield is here. Toggle it on. And from here, you can see each and every time you have a file on your computer or a file is opened on your computer, Avast Antivirus will go ahead and scan it. The same applies to Behavior Shield, Web Shield, and as well as Mail Shield. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.